Today's away day trip is to Chesterfield for top of the table clash between AFC Wimbledon and Chesterfield. AFC Wimbledon being third and Chesterfield being top. Today I'm going on the East Midlands line and I've treated myself to a first class return. This is because I didn't have to pay for my return trip to York last week, so I thought I'd splash out on a first class. I depart from St Pancras and today I'm going to go via Cannon Street and then walk up to Bank. I'm going to get there quite early again, but fortunately this week I'll be able to use the East Midlands first class lounge. So all quite exciting, and just now waiting for the train 19 minutes past 9 I think it is, that goes to Cannon Street. So let's just have a look down at the other end of the station, see whether any work's been going on the foot-free access. Well, it looks like they've dug away some more of the embankment and put up some pillars, or is that just where they've removed the advertising hoardings? There's some men here today. I think they're actually replacing old benches by the looks of things. Anyway, here comes the 9:19 Cannon Street train. As usual, a 465. In this case, it's number 003. Only 4 coaches. I might have to move up a bit. Make sure I get on it. So I've just arrived at Cannon Street at 9:48. This is the station I normally use to travel to work, and it's quite remarkably different this time of the day on a Saturday compared to during the week. Although, of course, this station really only sees a lot of passengers first thing in the morning and last thing at night. It's only recently been used for services, I've noticed, over the last few years. I suppose it gives more capacity on the network. The station has been recently modernised yet again. They seem to be modernising this station throughout the time I've had to travel up here. I'm now going to head for Bank Underground Station and pick up the entrance to Bank Station. It's only a couple of minutes walk from Cannon Street. And again, during the week, this is incredibly busy. Trying to get from one side to the other is a nightmare, but I always go through these subways as opposed to crossing across the very busy junction at Bank, where it's not so much the cars that are a hazard, it's all the bicycles. Underground lines from the station. So here it goes as we enter the depths of the northern line. Well, actually it's the central line. I'm going the wrong way. No, I expect they all end up at the same place. Today I'm following the signs for St Pancras International. I did use the Euston Road exit to quickly get up to this part of the station. It's quite a huge station, this one, with trains. It's got the Eurostar, East Midlands and South Eastern, and I believe it also has another line, Capital Connect or something. Anyway, find out shortly. It's quite an impressive station, I must say. I tend to get here with hardly any time at all in which to catch my train, and I tend to have to catch the train that's furthest away. There you go. Sir John Bitchman. 10:19, train not due until 10:55. So once again, quite a long wait. Unfortunately, the first class lounge doesn't appear to be open. So the other lines that services through St Pancras is the First Capital Connect, and of course, as previously mentioned, South Eastern and East Midlands in the Eurostar. I suppose London Bridge will look something like this when they're finished all the work they're doing there.
The other one?
So platform 2, coach 2. Arrived at Chesterfield at on time at 12:46. Good to see the sun's out, warm, no rain like it has been in London. Got this Northern Rail train here, which is going to be the 12:52 to Leeds. No stronger announcements with the trains.
Durham, Newcastle, Alnmouth, Berwick-upon-Tweed, Edinburgh, Peterhead, Motherwell. First class accommodation. Derby, Burton-on-Trent, Birmingham New Street, Cheltenham Spa, Bristol Parkway, Bristol Temple Meads, Taunton, Tiverton Parkway, Exeter St David's, Newton Abbot, Totnes and Plymouth. This train is formed of 4 coaches. An at-seat service of light refreshments is available on the train. First class accommodation is towards the front of the train.